Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I wanted to share with you this yearly contest. This is from Samsung. Love Samsung. This is great that they're doing this each year for students, for the community, for educators. So this is called the Samsung Solve for Tomorrow contest. We are going to apply. I know applications are due this Friday. So this week I'm working with this project with my entrepreneurship students. Anyone, public school teachers from grade 6th grade to 12th grade. So share this with your teachers. Next year, I think I could do a referral and actually be eligible for an additional $5,000. But the grand prize is $100,000, which is amazing. A ton of Samsung technology products. I can't even imagine what that would look like in my classroom. So we are going to apply a day before, just on the safe side, on the 26th. We have students brainstorming a bunch of ideas right now. And then with the contest, you're going to learn about the contest on this page. You're going to scroll through. It gives you a bunch of different, you're going to use STEM as the solution to this problem. And then there's 3 or 4 questions. I can show you a sample submission, but we're just going to browse through the website. So I asked my students right here, consider how science, technology, engineering, and math can be used to create change in our community. So whether it's a school problem, a community problem. So right now they're brainstorming a bunch of problems we have in our school, and we'll see what they come up with. There are various prizes. So even like the smaller prizes is still great. $2,500 as a state finalist. It would be so grateful. Here are the official rules. And they have a timeline of when you need to submit each phase. And then obviously all these different finalists are announced during this time frame. And then the final judging event in April. I like to share videos of the previous winners. So I like this one, this football. They tackled the problem of athletes getting like a heat stroke and just, the football players wearing that heavy equipment and how to use when they apply STEM with this band. Let me show you a little portion of it. I'm afraid of the copyright on YouTube, so I'm not going to play the entire video.
Some daily tasks that seem easy present unexpected challenges for the millions of Americans with.
Wait, that's not it. This one. It's this one.
Our team used STEM to address this problem.
This is our Samsung Solve for Tomorrow team, and here's our life-saving project.
First, we sent out a survey to our friends and relatives of student athletes in our community to measure the relevancy of our problem. 23% of respondents indicated that they did know a student athlete that had suffered a heat-related event on the field.
Introducing the Human Health Band, or HH Band, a wearable device. We made an app which used Bluetooth to locate the device, connect to it,
and to fit a variety of bodies.
Coach John Kelly. So I'm one of the assistant football coaches. I've also been a track coach in the past. Being a coach here in Florida, heat is a major factor. Athlete safety is something that is always at the forefront of our minds.
So that was a previous winner I wanted to share with you. And then you can go through the other videos. They're also great ideas. And they have, what I like about this this website is they actually show you a sample submission. And I'm going to try to find that for you. I probably have to stop the video and open up another tab. I know it's somewhere here. Who is it? Someone's at the door. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, let me see. Okay, so I'm back. All right, so I was looking for that sample submission. It's here. It's probably under maybe facts with all the questions. Yeah, right here. So is there an example application we can view? So this I like. I'm going to share this tab instead. Yeah, perfect. So this works. So here's an example application. And if you have any question, you just email Solve for Tomorrow. Right there is their email. So right here, 200 words. Tell us about a problem or issue in the community that your students would work to solve using STEM. How would your students apply STEM to create a solution addressing this problem or issue? So about 200 words right here. And then you would describe in detail the objective of your project. So that's pretty much it. So that is a great example. I like this document. Let's go back. And no, it's open up to all teachers. You don't have to be a STEM teacher. That's also important. They have tips. So it's a great website. There's a ton of information. I would assign this for like homework for the students to kind of go through so they can get more ideas. Different, there's for students, there's a teacher academy here. Definitely look at the past winners. It's an amazing opportunity. You got to be in it. Try it out. You never know. A lot of the times I know teachers are like, oh, so many, teachers apply to that. We're not going to have a chance. But I remember in my last school, I was there for close to 5 years. There was an art contest. It was through Vans, and we had a student, and the entire school was like K to 12, and we only had like a little less than 250 students in the school. And the student did win. We had the art teacher apply to the Vans contest, and he was one of the finalists. So regardless of small school, big school, you definitely have to try. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to try, see what happens, and we'll keep you posted. So share this with your teachers. You got to be in it to win it. Come up with some great videos. Oh, let me go back. And it's called, once again, it's Solve for Tomorrow. Solve for Tomorrow. And it's this contest, yearly contest. So if you don't make it by this Friday, you can definitely apply next year. All right. Till next time. Thanks.